Okay, now we're going to prepare the chicken. I said earlier that we were going to use thigh meat instead of breast meat because I believe that it has a richer flavor to it. Anytime that you handle chicken, poultry, or fish, it's best to wear a pair of gloves. This will prevent cross-contamination with anything else that you're cooking, and is just generally safer. To save time, I've gone ahead and gotten boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And so the trimming that we'll have to do on this piece is very, very slight. There's only pieces at the end, and a lot of them you can just pull the fat right off. Of course, you can make this and leave that on. Some people prefer it. I'm going to trim just little bits of the pieces off because I think that this also has a certain flavor to it. All right, now we are going to season both sides of this chicken with black pepper, and I like to do it liberally because some of these seasonings will come off and then they'll blend in with the rest of the dish.